Hello everyone, in this video you will learn to make a live table in Excel that gets and auto updates its data from an online web page, and also a nice map that visually represents the data in a fantastic way, something like this. So let's start without any delay and subscribe if you have already did not. So the first thing we will do is to go to Chrome and type Indian states by population. This is to find out the data that we will use to create the map. From the search result, we will click on the first record and it will open the Wikipedia page of the list of states and union territories of India by population. So we will scroll down further and we will get the table which contains the population growth, urban population, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha seats, and many other details of the Indian states and union territories. So we have the data in this web page. Now what we will do is to select the URL of this web page and simply copy it. Here a blank page is already opened up. From here we will click on data from the top ribbon and then we'll click on get data from web. As soon as we click on it, this dialog box will open up where Excel is asking for the URL that we have already copied from web browser, and we can now simply paste Ctrl V to paste the URL in this place and click on OK. It will take some time to load the navigator and then it will display the tables that it has found from the given URL. Now we will select the first table to check whether this is the required data. So it is not, we can see. The next one is yes, this is the required data from the web page. Also we will check the third table and it is not. So this list table is the required data for creating the map. So we can now click on load to directly load this data into our Excel sheet, but that we will not do and we will instead click on the transform data. The Power Query editor will open up. Those who want to have more on the Power Query editor can watch our previous video on combining files that you will get in the same playlist. Now from here you can see all the data that were in the web page itself are here also. Now from here we can check which data we want in our Excel sheet and which data we don't want. We will simply right click on the column that we don't want and click on remove. So we have removed this. We will remove this column as well. This first row, that is the header. So we will click on this use first row as headers option to make this the header. Now going at the bottom, we see that there is a total row for the table, that is for the entire country, that we don't need because in our chart or table in Excel the totals will be automatically calculated. We can click on this drop down and check off the option of India and click on OK. No mention of India as a country in this list. Now our data cleaning has been completed, so we can go to the close and load option and click it. So here is it. After some backend processing, the entire data has been populated into our Excel sheet after all the required cleaning from the URL that we have given. That is the Wikipedia page of the state or union territory of India. Keep in mind one thing, this table will be auto updated every time you click on refresh. So if you say delete some of the data from here and then right click on the table and click on refresh, it will again fill the data into your table. If any data is changed in the original Wikipedia page, only then this data will be changed automatically. So it is updating itself from the Wikipedia page and there is no chance of error. So we are removing the queries and connection pane. Now to create the map, now we will go to insert. From here we will click on maps and click on the field map. one map of India is already created. We can edit or delete the chart labels and move the map anywhere on the sheet. Here is the indicator of the data that is being represented on the map. You can change this map formatting from here. You can do like this, or like this, whatever you want. You can change the color from here also and change the theme. You can include the data levels from here. You can relocate the legend to the left, right, or bottom of the map. We will keep it on the right side. Now, this is the population map. If you want that this map will represent not the population but the Lok Sabha seats of each state, then what you will do, you will just right click on it, click on select data and go to edit. Now the Lok Sabha seats in the K column. So you can just change the series name from here. The series name will be now K1 cell, that is the Lok Sabha seats. And here also you will change the series range. It will be from K2 to K37. And now you can click on OK. Click on OK again. And you will see that now this map is now presenting the Lok Sabha seats of each and every states of the country. Like this, you can change the data that you will represent on the map from this table, anything as you want, and the whole thing will get updated every time you click on refresh and there is any change in the original Wikipedia file. Not only Wikipedia, you can take the reference of data from any of the websites with the same procedure that we have depicted here. You can move this map to any other sheet also and can have it in conjunction with other tables or pivot charts or slicer as you like it. So if you have liked this video, please share it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you are new into it. Thank you very much.